Hello everyone and welcome to Creactive BD. Today I'm going to show you how to search for any file on your PC very fast. So let's get started. Well, we could go about this two ways. First one is the classic way. Go to your my computer or this PC where you can see all the drives. Then on the upper right corner you can see search this PC or search my computer. So let's search something. GTA. So Windows 10 shows you a quick result, but if you want extensive search and hit enter, it takes a long time. See, we're still not there yet. So let's fast forward. Okay, now we're seeing results, but this process is so slow. So let us try the second process, which is much better. Go to your browser and go to your Google and type everything tool. Then go to downloads. You can either download a portable zip file, zip version, or other versions, whichever you want. I'm gonna download the 64-bit installer since my PC is 64-bit. Then after download is complete, install the software. And open it. Let it load a bit and search what you want to search. I'm going to search GTA. It shows the results almost instantly, which is amazing. I love this tool. You can even set filters and what type of files you were looking for, and even the date when and also by date, name, and many other things. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.